Hala.
And for their lifespan, 12 to 16 years in the world.
Okay, gaya pusing ay. Oh. Ay! Hala.
Ang kaplay gunito, ma'am.
Hi, welcome to my channel, Travel and Learn with Verona. We are in the base camp.
Sige, kamusta na, sir?
White Lion, namely Max, Jack, and Bogoy. Were breed and raised in captivity from France, but they are originated from South Africa. We have here total of 5.
Five,
Sila ang Muhammad speaker kaysa
sa karon ko,
may kayo.
isa rin yung kinangin, tumudwa.
Ay, natulog eh. So they have a spacious of 1.2 hectares.
One
Ay,
na.
ma'am, wake up sila ron kayo. Hindi sila ganahan.
Batas na ron?
Nasa busay. Tapra ba tamo?
Sorry.
Ano ba yung sabi na?
Sige lang, namin kita sa layo.
Wild and 20 to 25 years in captivity.
So all male, no?
Yes.
Yes.
No female po, para wala nga po.
No female lion. Avoiding fighting. To avoid fighting. So the three are
So,
male.
they are territorial animals. They mark their territories by scratching on trees or by just urinating.
He's
And
rolling.
the roar can be heard up to 8 kilometers.
Kita ka tanan.
Oh, kita tulog mo.
So all
Ulo,
males
panindot.
simply stand 8 years old. So they can rest, sit or sleep for about 16 to 20 hours a day. And for their diet, dressed chickens are killed 5 to 8 kilos per lion per day.
Mag-uwan ba? Saan dito? Ayun yan.
Balik din sa yan na lang. Kapit na.
Yan na. Outside
Kapit na na. Oh,
baby sa rin na silang tiyan ibutang.
Karen, bisa kaya Karen?
Rom Dairy.
Sa karon ay nangas sa kanaan.
Iwas niya yung mutya.
Ano ay daghan oy dromedary o Bactrian camel so sa kailasa na. Kanang talini si puno katong.
Kana o na hump niya ang hump. Ang hump may Bactrian camel.
Oh, ilan na,
Kana
Okay, suwek. Sakay ng talilin tayo. Di mo buslot mo.
Tara, okay na Bactrian camel na.
Oh, luoy ka ayo.
Wala tayo pang reels.
Butera ba ni? Oo, kay mga landaw nang siya.
Ah. Ay, palabig ng nas ba?
Nano kay kuan mo nang siya ato.
Ano siya? Fish? You like the fish? Hi, say hello. Are you happy? Show me the happy face. Yee! Aman siya. man ni nagdaan mo sa munyi kang nalaan ni ha. Iya sa bag.
Kanya-kanya na assignment eh.
Gali. Ikan Savannah.
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to African Savannah. I'm your guide for this ride, and my name is Faye. For your safety and comfort, if you look to your right, we have here blue wildebeest. They have two shades of beard and black legs, and are known to be clown of the savannah because during mating season, males perform unusual dance moves to and fro. Aside from that, we also have here zebras. They are herbivores and they spend most of their days eating grass and eating insects. They have actually black skin with white stripes, and their stripes are just like our fingerprints, meaning that the zebras have the same color. Second everyone to your right, blue wildebeest. If you look to your right, we have here cat. So you're in a ramp, you can be as tall as 5 feet or 6 feet. Aside from that, we also have water bucks. The water bucks have shaggy hair and males have horns while females do not. So their body emits oil that protects them from predators because they have a very species. The older they get, the stinkier they become. And the stinkier they are, the more handsome they are.
Oh my goodness.
Mabilti mo.
Hindi nila magpapangsagot.
Uba.
Once again, to your right, we have here eland and water bucks. Called impala. So impalas are medium-sized antelopes and males have horns while females do not. They can actually run 90 kilometers per hour and can jump 3 meters high. They cover distance of 12 meters despite having very slim legs. Right, and if you can see that reddish brown antelopes over there, those are called blesboks. Their name came from the Dutch term blaze, referring to the white spot on their face. This white spot is actually their built-in sunscreen that protects them from the sun. Aside from that, if you can see that cutie over there, that is known as Thompson's Gazette. They are the smallest antelope here in our savannah, but despite that, they can actually run 80 kilometers. They are actually known as the king of the Kalahari Desert, as they can survive without drinking water for up to a year due to their body providing the way to take it from the grass. If you are familiar with the TV that right there is no other than Madam the Girl. Once again, to your left, blesboks are sorry. Sister of Nalo.
Well, happy face ba siya? Oh, look at that. It's a happy face.
Yo, please, wow, yan siya. Sinala dito ni Roy dai. Sinala dito dito.
Sinala kay Kwan, mapud na layon. Ako sa?
Samahan ng mga video. Sumado ko tao ba? Doon dito sa mga.
Okay, sir, please be careful going down. After that, sir, face the crowd and listen to Kuya Dave's instructions. sir. Look at the camera. Smile. Now, ladies and gentlemen, feel the love in the air as we have here our couple sent your name, Ding and Dong. Now, Sentiors, they are monogamous type of bird, meaning they can only have one partner for a lifetime. Sana all. But when their partner dies, that's the only time that they will find another mating partner. They're also monomorphic, meaning both male and female share the same physical features, just like their colors and size. Now, Sentiors, they have a golden plumage from its head down to its underparts and have green wings. I want you to show your money to the crowd. Wow, you have a 1,000 peso bill. So I need you to fold your money into half 3 times at the same direction. That's 1, 2, last one, ma'am. Alright, and after that, hold the tip of the money and extend your right arm like this. Okay, that's good. Now, ma'am, my question is, are you ready?
Ready, bring it on.
Wala, bring it on. Now, ma'am, last question, ma'am. Are you sure about your money?
I'm pretty sure it's my tito's money.
It's your details money, alright, that's good to hear. Alright, now ladies and gentlemen, please let me welcome our cute and fluffy center name, Sunny. Now Sunny loves money. Normally in the wild, they love to pick up things and build their nest. Now let's see what Sunny will do. So Sunny flies all the way to Mama Tina, under her arms, and he picks the 1,000 peso bill. Now, bye-bye Sunny and bye-bye 1,000 pesos. Easy money, right? Now, ma'am, what is your message to our bird Sunny? Can he keep the money?
Sunny, give me my money back. It's not mine.
It's not mine now, Sunny. Now, ma'am, can we do it again? Like another 1,000 pesos.
Tito, give me money, please.
We accept card or GCash. No, I'm just kidding, ma'am. So I will help you get your money back. All you have to do is send your right arm like this and open your palm. Now, Sunny is a good bird. He loves seeds more than money. Now, Sunny, can you return the money? Right, now Sunny flies back all the way to Mama Tina and he puts the 1,000 peso bill back. So, round of applause to our cute and fluffy center name, Sunny. Now, ma'am, stay right here lang, ma'am. Ma'am, since you're already here on stage, is it okay that you will be our last volunteer for our last act?
Sure.
Alright, that's good to hear. Now, proceed here, ma'am, in the front. Now, Mama Tina, are you ready?
Ready.
Alright, now, Mama Tina, you will perform an intermission number. You will dance with music. Is that okay?
I can't dance.
You're very familiar. Good. Alright, now, music. Alright, so another round of applause to Mama Tina. Now, ladies and gentlemen, from the jungle of South America, let's wander in the rainforest of Brazil. As we have here our 2 yellow-crowned Amazon parrot named Lani and Rudy, together with their mentor, Miss Donna. Now everyone, I want you to meet Rudy and Lani. Now can you say hi?
Hi.
Now yellow-crowned Amazon parrot is one of the most commonly kept Amazon species due to Now next one is a telephone ringing. Now last one is a whistle. Whistle? Good job, buddy. Now Lani and Rudy here loves to sing. Is it true, Miss Donna?
Yes, but before they sing, they need to do what all singers do. They have to warm up first.
Alright, now let's do the warm-up. Okay, so they are ready for their first song. So let's start the first song. I love you more than I can. Again. Oh, yeah. I love you more than I can. Now, before we proceed to our next song, let me ask first, who's celebrating your birthdays today? Or within this month? Next. Again, sing happy birthday. Last one. Now see how talented parrots are? They can mimic sound so well because their brains are super smart. Just like how humans using their voices. So a round of applause to our mimicking birds here named Lani and Rudy. And also to their mentor, Miss Donna. Now, since you're ready with this, Mr. Romnek, the lure will serve as the real food or the real prey because this bird will showcase their excellent hunting skills and how good he is at catching his food. Now, Mr. Romnek, are you ready? Okay, so we're all set and ready. Now, ladies and gentlemen, keep your eyes alert to our Philippine Hawk Eagle named Hunter. Now, Philippine Hawk Eagle typically hunts from a perch, patiently waiting at the right moment to swoop down its prey. Nice catch, Hunter. Now, this bird, it can grow up to 65 to 70 centimeters in length with a wingspan of 105 to 125 centimeters. And as you can see, Mr. Romnek here is wearing a thick gloves that protects himself from the sharp talons and claws of this bird. So a round of applause to our Philippine Hawk Eagle named Hunter. Now for our next birds of prey, it embodies the beauty and the mystery of the night. Now I need everyone's cooperation, so let us remain silent, seated, and relax as we welcome the night creature of the Philippines. Now everyone, can you guess what is our next bird of prey? So we have here Philippine Eagle Owl named Boo. Now Philippine Eagle Owl, they are the largest owl species that can be seen here in the Philippines. As you can see, it has a large head and a bulging eyes that can spot a prey up to 2 kilometers away. Their yellow eyes are not just for show, they have an excellent, so they're locally known here as Kuwago or Bukaw. So a round of applause to our Philippine Eagle Owl named Boo. Now for our next birds of prey, they are great at snatching their food even in mid-air. Now I need everyone's cooperation, so please sit down and please keep your food inside your bag. It is for your own safety. It is because our next set of birds will fly closer to you. Okay, so we're all set and ready. Now ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together to our snatching prey of flight, our Brahminic kite named Shadow. But wait, there is more. Here comes the brother of Shadow, Argus. Now, Brahminic kite, they have a white plumage from its head down to its underparts, and the rest of its color are striking chestnut brown. And we have our last Brahminic kite named Cloud. So formerly known as red-backed sea eagle in Australia, but locally known here in the Philippines as Banok in Bisaya and Lawit in Tagalog. Their lifespan in the wild, they can live up to 20 to 30 years. Now, Brahmicite, they're excellent at gliding, soaring, and fly high up in the sky. Now, these types of birds of prey can be found in Australia, Southeast Asia, Sri Lanka, and Pakistan. Now, Brahmicite and Lawit in Tagalog. Thank you so much, Mr. Charles. So, a round of applause to our Brahmicite's name, Shadow, Argus, and Cloud. Now, from the medium size of raptors, let's proceed to the largest birds of prey we have here in Cebu Safari. Now, I need everyone's cooperation, so please sit down and do not try to reach out or touch this bird, because this bird will fly closer to you. So again, just please sit down and enjoy the show. Alright, so we're all set and ready? Now, ladies and gentlemen, for our grand finale, keep your heads up high to our white-bellied sea eagle named Silver. Now, white-bellied sea eagle, also known as the white-breasted sea eagle, or king of the sea. It is a white plumage from its head down to its underparts, and its wings and back are dark gray in color. The scientific name for this bird is Heliatus leucocaster. Now, this bird, it can grow up to 75 to 85 centimeters in length, with a wingspan of 180 to 220 centimeters. Their favorite food in the wild, they mainly eat fish, sea snakes, small turtles, and mammals. Lastly, white-bellied sea eagle symbolizes wilderness and freedom. So, a round of applause to our white-bellied sea eagle named Silver. Now, here at Cebu Safari, we're not just creating about fun and forgettable experiences. Our top priority is wildlife conservation. We work hard to protect endangered species, provide them with safer habitats, and educate guests about the importance of preserving nature. Together, we can make a difference for wildlife and for a better future generation. Now, let me introduce you to the people behind the successful show. My partner here on stage, Mr. Charles, together with Silver. We also have here Mr. Romnek, together with Kat, and Miss Rachel, together with Magnum. And to make this even more memorable, we present to you the symbol of love, peace, prosperity, and harmony. Now, my name is Dasu. We hope you enjoy the show. Thank you so much and enjoy the rest of the love. Alright, now for those who haven't been to White Lion Safari, Camel Area Birds of the World and African Savannah, just go up and turn to your left side to see to around the town area. That's the tram stop for our key attractions inside. And if you want to witness our white Bengal tiger feeding 2:30 p.m., just go up and turn to your right side, 2-minute walk going down. And if you want to take pictures of our photograph birds, kindly form a line here at the center. We have here official photographers, the view too. So again, thank you so much everyone and enjoy the rest of the walk.
So again, to those who want to take some pictures with Shadow and Cloud, please follow the line lang here.
Kukuha man niya eh. Lulot ka na. Bupahan niya eh. Bata ka. Lemur. Ring-tailed lemur. Hala. Video bin. Video ni. Ako ni kuan. Di magkuan ako sa YouTube channel lang ako ni upload. Buta yung mga lalay. Ginoo ko bahala sa doroy. Ginoo ko. Halagutan o lagan na di. Lima. Na lang sila ubang lalay. Oh, mga backup ni lalay dito sa kilid ay. Nanganga na lang. Kuan sa dream ka nang tawag ni kana ko nung gipangkapoy. Inana mo sila mo kuan kanang ilang ipagawas daw kuno. Oh, ipagawas ko na nila dia. Amo mo tiya?
Wala na dito.
Ato pa dito ay sige, whatever lalay.
Ay, pwede din na sila sa kuan gud pa no. Abi na ko sa water gid sila. Ano ko gud.
Slytherin. Slytherin. Ala si Kuya nun, hani di si Kuya ay. Ito na Kuya. Thank you for watching.